Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the charging speed test on the OnePlus Nord 2 while playing Battlegrounds mobile game at same time. Yes friends, this is a request which has come from few of my subscribers. So let's see whether the phone will be able to fast charge while playing the Battlegrounds mobile at same time or not. So this is going to be really intense on the temperatures as well. That is one main thing. So I'll try to check how much higher the temperatures will reach during this process and how fast the battery can actually charge. So that's what I'll try to check in this video. This video I'm trying to do only for the demonstration purpose, and I don't recommend any users charging and playing the Battlegrounds mobile game at same time in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. Please don't try. But in case once in a while it's kind of okay, not every time. So this will definitely put a lot of pressure on the battery and increases a lot of temperature. So it's not good for the OnePlus Nord 2. So it's not good for us as well. But just for the demonstration purpose, I'm trying to select, let's see, for 15 minutes and 30 minutes only I'll try to run this kind of charging and playing the game at same time. If the phone is charging faster, then I'll try to continue the test. Otherwise, I don't want to put that kind of high risk on this phone at this moment. I hope you understand. So let me try to connect the charger at this point. Right now, the phone percentage is about close to 3%. As you can see friends, 3%. The phone percent, let me try to quickly start the game. And before that, let's show you whether I connected to the 65 watts charger or not. You should know, it should display the WrapCharge 65 as well. Right now it's 3% only. As you can see in the beginning, I'm starting this charging test from the 3%. I'll try to clear everything from the background. Everything is completely clean, as you can see. And brightness also, I'll try to set up to close to 50% brightness. As you can see friends, exactly, not much brightness. And now I'll try to start playing the game. So overall, I did start this kind of charging test from the 3%. And temperature is 32.6. As you can see, 32.6 only, not much higher. So 32.6 degrees at this beginning. Let's see how fast the temperatures can actually increase in this OnePlus Nord 2 with the time. That is what I'm going to exactly concentrate right now. Overall 33 degrees and 32 degrees only at this moment. And I'll try to play using the smooth and extremes. Why not? Yes, smooth and extreme settings only during this process of demonstration. And I'll try to play the game continuously for about 15 minutes, and again after 15 minutes I'll be back just to show you how much battery percentage the phone got charged. Right now it's charged about 6%, not bad. As you can see, 6% it got charged within that 1 minute of time. From 3% it went to 6%. Let's see, let's continue the charging test. So if I see any kind of high temperatures, immediately I'll try to disconnect this kind of test. I won't continue at all. If the temperatures goes above close to 43 or 45, that's the one thing which I thought to just mention. There is a reason I did not include 45 minutes and full charge. So please try to understand. So hopefully no one should try this kind of technique in this OnePlus Nord 2. Don't try it, this kind of method. This will definitely decrease the long time usability of the phone as well. So again I'll be back after 15 minutes of continuously charging this phone and playing at same time. So meanwhile I'll try to play this team deathmatch, and even I'll try to play the normal classic match as well. Let me try to play the classic match. So I won't keep ideal the phone. Continuously I'll try to play non-stop. As you can see friends, we are getting close to 15 minutes of continuously charging. Right now the phone charged to 23%. As you can see, in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes it increased only 20% only. If you remember, we started at around 3% of the battery, and right now it came up to 23%. So for 15 minutes of charging. And temperatures, let's check the temperatures. I don't know, you are really interested to know the temperatures. Right now 38 degrees of the temperatures it's recorded. 38.6. I think there's some kind of mechanism is going on to prevent overheating in this phone. Yes, 38.6 degrees, not bad. So next I'll try to continue the test for only next 15 minutes, not much time. So as I said, I don't want to take that kind of risk. So only for next 15 minutes I'll try to continue. In this way we'll be able to calculate how much difference. So for 30 minutes, how much the phone can actually get charged. Based upon the results, we can actually estimate how much more time it takes from 0 to 100% while playing games. If you want to face this kind of situation, you should know how long this will take time. I'll definitely advise not anyone to use the phone and play the game in this OnePlus Nord 2. Definitely don't try, but still, in case if you want to try, you should know how much time it takes. Actually, there is a reason I'm trying to do. So I can be back after some time, maybe close to 30 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss what is happening with this charging speeds. So So right now, as you can see, friends, it's been 30 minutes of continuously playing the game in the OnePlus Nord device non-stop by charging and playing at same time. Let me just show you the battery percentage. It's kind of close to 36%, as you can see. Let me try to focus properly. 36% exactly. So it did not charge much faster, so as expected, but the temperatures did not increase much higher. It's maintaining around 36 only, as you can see, friends. It's maintaining close to 37 and 38 degrees. That's it, not much. So I think the OnePlus Nord 2 doesn't fast charge properly, so it's okay, no problem. There's no issues regarding that, but I just want to do this kind of demonstration just to give some clarity. So now we got a clear idea what is happening in the OnePlus Nord 2. So when you're trying to play the game and charge the phone at same time, the phone will not charge faster. There's that kind of mechanism is there. That's kind of good to prevent overheating. That's another good thing. So even if there's a situation for you to play the game and charge at same time, then you should not be worried about the temperatures will not increase much. So for 30 minutes, the battery increased only 36%. I did start around 3% in the beginning. Right now it is 36% for 30 minutes, as you can see. So at this charging rate, maybe the phone might take close to 1.5 hours to get charged if you try to play the game and charge at same time using 65 watt charger. So thank you for watching this video, friends. It's a quick comparison on this phone playing the game while charging at same time. These are the results which we got. So which I'm not to be shocked, because I did expect similar kind of results only. Most of the phones, they do have this kind of mechanism to prevent overheating in the phone. That's a very good thing. The battery won't get affected. The GPU and the CPU also won't get affected in this phone if you try to maintain this kind of things. That's fantastic. So I'm going to be back in the next video, friends, with another topic, and thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this one. Do you care about this or not? For me, it doesn't matter, because usually I don't play the games while charging. It's not good at all. So that's the one thing which I can definitely advise for a lot of other users. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off.